Slow English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to My Slow English, the podcast where we take learning English step by step, slowly and clearly. I'm so happy you're here today. Take a deep breath. Relax. And let's enjoy this learning moment together. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something many English learners find difficult: forgetting English words. If this has ever happened to you, don't worry. You're not alone, and you're not doing anything wrong. Have you ever learned a new word, felt happy about it, used it once, and then forgot it the next day? This happens to almost everyone. Our brain doesn't like remembering words by themselves. It prefers connections, repetition, and real meaning. So today, I will show you why forgetting words is normal, and more importantly, how to learn words in a way that feels natural, easy, and stress-free. We will not focus on memorizing long lists. Instead, we will focus on using English in real life, little by little, until the words stay with you. So stay with me, and let's begin. Do you know a simple way to help your brain remember words automatically? One powerful method is called spaced repetition. This means you don't look at a word just once. You review it again after a few days, then after a week, and later again. This helps move words from short-term memory to long-term memory. For example, take the word ready. Today, you can say, I am ready now. I am ready now. After a few days, she is ready for school. She is ready for school. A week later, yesterday, I was ready to leave early. Yesterday, I was ready to leave early. The idea is simple. Every time, choose a word and put it in a sentence. Then, repeat it the same way. Today, make a sentence with the word. After a few days, create a new sentence using it. A week later, try one more sentence with the word. This way, your brain remembers the word naturally.
Is reviewing words enough? Not really. If you want to remember a word, you have to use it. Here's a very important tip. Do not learn the word alone. Do not try to memorize the word by itself. Instead, put the word in a sentence. For example, the word explore. Don't just say the word, say a full sentence. I explore my city.
Say it with me.
I explore my city. Another sentence could be, I like to explore new places on the weekend. I like to explore new places on the weekend.
One more. Children explore the world around them every day. Children explore the world around them every day. Do you see? The same word, but in different sentences and different situations. This way, the word becomes alive, not just a word in a list. You can also use a word while cooking. Say it while walking. Send a message with it. Write a short sentence in your notebook.
Here is an example.
You can say, I'm cooking something new today. I'm cooking something new today. One more. I cooked this dish yesterday. I cooked this dish yesterday. Here's another one. Have you ever cooked this before? Have you ever cooked this before? Now, let's make words more personal. When you connect a word to your life and feelings, your brain remembers it better. Think of a happy or exciting moment from today. Imagine yourself using the word during that feeling. Pause for a moment. That feeling helps the word stay in your memory. For example, the word excited. I feel excited when I learn a new English word. I feel excited when I learn a new English word. One more. She felt excited when she spoke English with confidence. She felt excited when she spoke English with confidence. This way, the word becomes real, not just something to memorize, but something you live and feel. Another important question: do you learn words randomly or in groups? Learning words by topics is much stronger. For example, morning routine words: waking up, brushing your teeth, breakfast. Say with me. I wake up at the usual time every day. I brush my teeth after I wake up. I have breakfast before I start my day. Now, your brain links these words as a small story, not as separate pieces. Before we finish, here's a simple daily challenge. Choose one word a day. Write 3 simple sentences with it. Say them out loud in the morning and again in the evening. Link the word to your life. Link it to your feelings. Try to use it throughout your day. Do this every day, and in a few weeks, you will feel the difference. Remember, my friends, learning English is living the language, using it every day. Every small step counts. Every sentence builds your confidence. You are capable. Start today. One word, one sentence. I'm Nada. Thank you for listening. And continue to enjoy your trip with English.